Heart and soul. Heart and soul. It's a remembrance service, and it's a time to come together to honor any loved ones who have passed, any loved ones that you just want to bring to mind through the holiday season. So if someone has made their transition, it doesn't matter if they made their transition this last year or if it was 10 years ago and 20 years ago, it doesn't matter. But if someone has lifted off into what I like to call their freedom form, and you want to have some sacred ritual and experience around that, bringing them to mind and having some time to just honor that and kick off December with that energy, please join us this Saturday. It's in the Fillmore Chapel, and it's also live streamed, so you could invite other family members from afar or friends or someone that you know has lost someone and could benefit from just grounding in that experience. And just a little bit about what you'll experience there. We have incredible music this year. We have Crazy Carl Jensen and John Fry, who will be doing music. If you haven't heard, give it up for those gents. And if you haven't heard Crazy Carl's song, 100 Years, it's an incredible song that just gets you just right where you need to be on the planet. And he'll be sharing that song there. We also do this as an interactive Unity experience with other Unity centers. So Reverend Shea at Unity of Sussex County in New Jersey will be participating with us with her congregation. And so you'll have a moment to speak the name of the person or people that you are blessing and holding with you. And then you'll have a moment for some visual meditation, for a guided meditation experience that's pretty powerful. And then you'll have some time to reflect, either with the people around you or with all of us, on what you want to remember and bring to mind about that person. And then we also have a little experience that we do with an ornament on the tree, where you get to put the name of your beloved onto a tree and then receive something from the tree to take home with you. And then that tree will be in the sanctuary for the rest of the Sundays in this holiday season, so the rest of the Sundays of Advent. And it becomes then our prayer tree, and we'll be blessing them. So your beloved will be here with us in the service. And our live streamers participate, and everyone's welcome. And so we have ways to have them interact, and we get to see them, and they get to share. And so it's a very sweet and sacred experience. But I would invite you to consider joining us this Saturday. You can find the registration online, and you'll hear more about that in the announcements. And on the app under OOS, which we just need to figure out another way to say it, because ooze, I don't know how we say that. But the ooze on the bottom tab of the app has the links to register and everything like that. So I personally invite you to join us. I think it's a powerful experience. I've been to other ones, and I've been to ours, and I'm ready to bring in this month with that sacred experience. So namaste.